Shravani, first of all, congratulations for the gold medal in China.
Thank you so much.
So, one question which I wanted to ask for a long time is you seem to be continuing and continuing and continuing more than 10 years in your career. So, what is the secret and how does you keep on going?
There is no secret. It is always like I'm hungry. Whenever I get one medal, I wanted to do better in the next one, and I wanted to keep continuing doing better and better. So definitely there is lot of sacrifices, lot of challenges. As I have been competing since last 23, 24 years. So I have a lot of experience as well. So I can manage myself, and it is. Definitely say that it is. Very important to stay clean, and that gives a lot of confidence, and you can focus on that for your competition. I prepare myself every day. I prepare mentally, physically. Every day I prepare myself. There is a lot of ups and downs, a lot of mentally ups and downs, emotionally ups and downs, but I try to hold myself. I keep my surrounding supportive surroundings so that I will not feel low and all that. So it is everything get together, and it gives me it allows me to achieve such achievements.
Do you mean to say that you have not indulged any kind of doping or drug related thing when you say that I keep myself clean?
Yeah, it is that I exactly I mean that.
So, what is your message to the youngsters? And you have been more than 15 years in international career, and unfortunately, India is having lots of this doping problem.
I mean, we have to change the mindset that we can't do without drugs. We have to change into we can do without drugs. And we have to make sure that we keep our body healthy, and we should not play with our body having drugs and having bad stuff.
And naturally, the prohibited drugs would even make your body deteriorate in the long run.
Yes. That is right.
And I think I've spoken to you some long time back when you were training in Jamaica. I remember. So it has been a long career, ups and downs. So how do you sum up? Like, have you achieved more of your objectives and aims you had set out?
Um, I must swear it is not easy. It is an everyday thing. I told you that I am always hungry. I want to do better and better day by day, every day. I don't get satisfied so easily, and I have a very good surrounding, and my family, friends, they always support me, and they have been supporting a long while, and I thank to them for that. Also, when I went to Jamaica, I learned a lot about sprinting. I learned a lot about how to manage sports, how to manage competition and all that. So it helped me a lot, and I have seen so many international athletes who has been running so well in their late years. So that inspired me as well. So I definitely say this is the thing to make me allow me to till run.
And the state government has also supported a lot. Besides the state government, were there any other financial support system?
I am actually an employee of Odisha Hydropower Corporation, so they support me financially. Also, we get some incentive. It's not enough, but it is somewhat we able to manage it. So that is how we just manage.
Okay. And in future, what are you aiming for? Naturally, the Asian Games is coming up, and maybe even LA Games also. Like any target set for the coming years?
Well, I stay in the present, so for now I have to think about interstate. After that, we will. For this season, main goal is Asian Games, and we will stick to that.
And you seem to be very much passionate about athletics. Do you have anything in mind after, like, say, 10 years or something like that?
It depends on the circumstances and the situation when it comes. So I can't say much about it. When time comes, it will reveal.
One last question, Shravani. In your long career, do you have any moment like it was too difficult to continue and I just want to give up and go away, something like that?
There were so many times I thought of it. in training it is so hard. Sometimes we vomit in the training, and we have to still get up and do our next repetition. We get so tired, we get so frustrated so when time doesn't come, like what the day-to-day timing, the day-to-day goal we don't achieve that time. We feel really frustrated. Those days I feel really bad and feel really low. But we have to hold ourselves up and think for the upcoming days and make sure we do in a right way and stick to the goal.
You are talking this about generally, not a particular period, 5 years back, 2 years back, 3 years back.
No, I'm talking about generally. Yes.